The banking crisis in China has reached epic proportions, with the government deploying battle tanks to protect the banks, which are facing protests by aggrieved customers. The scene of tanks guarding the banks is being compared with the Tiananmen Square massacre when, in 1989, hundreds of tanks were used to crush pro-democracy protests. The crisis first surfaced in April when residents of Henan and Anhui provinces were denied access to their bank accounts on the false premise of a system upgrade. Since then, bank deposits at several banks operating in rural areas of China have been affected, with customers being unable to withdraw their money. The locals hit by the banking crisis, one of the worst in recent years in China, claim 40 billion yuan in deposits have disappeared and have been protesting, demanding access to their savings. Very few people with less than 50,000 yuan received their money after months of waiting, but lakhs of customers who are still waiting have been told to wait patiently. Thousands of homeowners are also threatening to stop paying mortgages on scores of unfinished housing projects they had purchased, as their bank accounts have been frozen. Though the Chinese government has blamed the crisis on a scandal at several banks, experts say that it indicates a deeper malaise in the Chinese economy and society. China's economy is facing a dangerous cocktail of stalling growth, high unemployment, spreading mortgage payment strikes, and continued COVID shutdowns. The meltdown in the country's debt-laden property market is at the heart of the problem, as the $300 billion debt piled up due to Evergrande crisis is now slowly infecting the whole economy. Economists say that Beijing's borrow-and-build economic model is broken, and that more infrastructure is the road to ruin rather than one to a sustainable future. The crisis is a precarious moment for China's Communist Party in the run-up to its 20th Party Congress later this year, as it signals falling confidence of the people in its rule.